It's a good morning. Today is going to be a great day. Today will be a wonderful and fulfilling day. I greet today with confidence and love. I am healthy, happy, and secure. I have everything I need to succeed. I am calm and focused. I am beautiful, strong, and powerful. I am grateful for today. I appreciate all that I have. I greet today with positive expectations. Today I will look for things to appreciate and I will find them. I will listen to my inner guidance today. I am inspiring those around me. Today, wonderful things will unfold before me. I am taking time to breathe today. I am confident in my abilities. I believe in myself. I greet the morning sun knowing that wonderful opportunities lie ahead of me. Today will be a beautiful day. I am whole and complete. I believe in my abilities. I feel positive in every cell of my being. Today, good things will come easily and freely to me. Today will be a perfect day for me. I am expecting things to go well for me. I am becoming better each day. Today, I will feel a deep love and appreciation for myself. I am filling up with positive vibrations. My mind is now full of positive thoughts. I can handle anything that comes my way today. I send out blessings of love and abundance to everyone around me. My life is filled with success and love. I am full of unlimited potential. I am tapping into that unlimited potential now. I choose to live in peace and harmony. Good things will flow into my life today. Today I will attract success, abundance, and well-being into my life. Everything is always working out for me. I am enjoying every aspect of my life. I am in full control of my vibration. I choose to raise my vibration higher and higher. My day will be filled with love and prosperity. I am imaginative and my creativity flows endlessly. I am at peace with the world. I choose to focus on the good in the world. My relationships are constantly strengthening. I wake up every day with a deep sense of peace, love, and abundance. Wonderful things will happen to me today. My body is vibrant and healthy. I welcome today with open arms. I start every day off on the right foot. I expect good things for myself and others. I will spread and attract love everywhere I go today. I have total confidence in my ability to achieve my dreams. I am going after the things I really want. I am an unstoppable force capable of achieving anything I desire. I look forward to the excitement and joy that today will bring.